The GK200 sounds like a cross between soft rain and a tiny robot cracking its tiny, tiny knuckles. Hi, and welcome to the very second episode of my tech reviews, where we shall be looking at the RogueWare GK200 wireless/wired gaming mechanical keyboard. It's the perfectly sweet experience that you didn't even know you needed, until you had it. And now you're left wondering, how much better can it get? It's extremely affordable, the keys rest in an upper metal frame, beautifully subdued RGB lighting, and keystrokes are accurate and satisfying. What more do you want? Or rather, like most things in life, what more is there that you didn't know you needed? And these, dare I say, tactical linear brown switches might be the new love of my life.
That's weird. That's weird.
This type of thing is what I was referring to. I was perfectly happy with the keyboards I had, but alas, I was shown a better way. And a better way is definitely a metal frame supporting the keys, with what it seems like good old hardy plastic surrounding the rest. Now, I'm not a big fan of plastic or Mariah Carey over Christmas, but now that's two things we can't do anything about. The more you know. Flip it around and you'll find height adjustable footrests. Quite an industry standard, but a standard I very much enjoy. I've broken so many of these keyboard footrests over the years, but these really look like they're at least built to try and stand up to that. And that's what I appreciate about them. It utilizes a USB Type-C wired connection when wireless is unavailable. The cable it comes with is unfortunately a letdown. Standard soft rubber cable Type-C to USB is all you get. Although, can be swapped out though if braided cables are your thing, and that means you'll have to spend more money. And you know what they say, more money, more problems. Overall build quality is plainly better than you would expect at this price range, with virtually no body flex, mechanical keys, a metal frame, good sturdy rubber footrests, and then don't forget great looking RGB backlighting. The only thing you can really fault on this keyboard is the plastic covering the rest. You almost feel like they took bits from expensive keyboards and some bits from really inexpensive keyboards, smashed everything together and made something that worked much better than everyone thought it would. And now for the juicy part. Typing. As you can probably hear, this thing is good. Despite the best efforts from the hollowy plastic keycaps, the linear brown switches make up for everything the plastic keycaps try to take away. Probably, legally, through the medium of YouTube, I can't convey how these linear brown switches make me feel on the inside. But I can tell you this much. If it wasn't for the keycaps, we would be close to total typing euphoria. I guess I do have a soft spot for tactical switches, but it just seems like they offer the best of both worlds. They give you that nice, satisfying, clicky experience without clickety-clacking your neighbor out of deep sleep. The keycaps are pretty standard. Regardless of the hollowy nature, I don't think it'll bother people all that much. The standard keys do have this matte-ish finish, nothing glossy, nothing fancy, and is covered in a texture that gives you this nice grippy touch. But I would recommend, if you want a full premium experience, get yourself replacement keycaps. It will really do this keyboard a world of good. It's quite simple really. The RogueWare GK200 does everything quite well, and some things surprisingly so. It's far from being a pro level keyboard, but it's definitely not built cheaply, although the price tag would suggest otherwise. It's robust and clearly built well. It performs at a consistent standard. It entertains with nifty lights and lovable tactile mechanical switches. It's everything you want a great deal to be, and this is definitely a great deal. Wow! That's it. I physically can't say anything more about this keyboard, but if you feel like I've missed something, or you want to add something, or you want to ask a question, go to the comment section and just let loose. Otherwise, a like and a subscribe would be lovely. Okay, cool, okay, bye.